Good day, folks. Today in this quick little video, I want to do a test. I thought it'd be interesting to see what has better stabilization, the GoPro Fusion or the GoPro Hero 6 Black mounted in the Karma Grip. So let's just go out and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. And just keep in mind this is a test comparison of stabilization only. Of course, the Hero 6 Black is going to have better video quality, so we're not really testing that. But let's get to it and we'll see what the results are.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So yeah, as you can see, the results were pretty interesting. You'd be really hard-pressed to find a lot of difference between using a mechanical gimbal and the stabilization on a 360 camera such as the Fusion. And that just goes to show you, GoPro has put a lot of emphasis on the Fusion. And in some of his interviews, Nick Woodman has said that the future of GoPro is possibly 360. And not so much as having spherical video, but just the fact that stabilization is quite impressive on 360 cameras when you punch it out as a traditional, 16:9 video. And then when you factor in the size, mounting a camera like this or some of the other ones on the market are even smaller compared to having to put this on top of a helmet or, while you're skiing holding it, it's a lot bulkier and a lot of weight to it. Not to mention this is mechanical, so it's easily damaged. The Fusion can be easily mounted on a handlebar or a helmet and you'd barely know it's there. Not only that, but then you can export whatever angle you want. If you want a front-facing view, you can export that as a 16:9, a back-facing view, side-facing view, top-facing view. It's kind of unlimited. And on top of that, it's weatherproof, so whether it's pouring rain or snowing, you don't have to worry about damaging your gimbal. I know there are some waterproof gimbals on the market, but you're still got the bulk and everything there as well. So yeah, it's very interesting, and I think we've just kind of at the tip of the iceberg for what's to come in 360 technology. And I'm really excited to see what's going to come down the road as 360 cameras improve, the quality improves, the resolution goes up. I can definitely see a camera like this replacing a setup like this very easily. Well, folks, that's it for this video, testing the GoPro Fusion against the Hero 6 Black and Karma Grip to see what is more stable. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.